guys, welcome to today's class. How you all doing? I'm doing superb. If you don't know me, myself Vidyadhar, I'm taking ServiceNow developer course in an institute. What I'm getting trained every day, I'll be making video on those topics daily. Okay, so come on, let's start today's class. So today's topic is on import sets. Okay, this is a class 7th. We are going to start on import sets. So what is import set means basically it's loading a data. So when you're like example, when you have a thousands of records in a table, so you want to insert a record. So you can't type each and every record in a table. Okay, so at that time, when you will be having a different source like Excel, like Excel sheet and XML, other different files. You can pull that all those datas into your ServiceNow table. Okay, so loading loading the data into table is known as import sets. Okay, so as I told, data sources like Excel, it may be Excel or CSV file, etc. So let's go for PDI and let's start. So you have to go for filter navigator, search for import sets. Here you have to select load data. Right click, open a new tab. So this is how you will be opening to load the data in an import set. So first we'll go for one table. Let's take a problem table. Problem dot list. If you click on capital letters as a list, it will open in a new tab. So here we'll take a few records and we'll see how it comes in a result when you upload a Excel sheet format data into a table. Okay, so here we'll take few records in problem table. So first we'll put a filter on which column shall we take. We'll take new, maybe. Let's see how much new will be there. We'll take show matching new. Okay, there are 1 2 3 4 records are there in a new state. So you can go anywhere, click on three dots, go for export and click as Excel. So once that export is done, you can able to download the file. So in problem we are making we are taking state as new and we are exporting the records in a Excel sheet. Okay, so you can see there are you can see 24 problems are there. Okay, 24 records or 24 records are there in problem table. Okay, so we'll go for loading a data. So here we'll create a table name. We'll create a table name by load problem table. Okay, after writing a label name, okay, you can source the import file. Click on choose file which you have downloaded now, that is a problem table state new, which has 4 records. You can open Excel sheet if you want to see how it looks, same as the UI which you are seeing in ServiceNow. Okay, yeah, it's loading. Yeah, you can see your Excel sheet. Okay, so you'll be having A to I columns. All these and 1, 2, 3, 4 records are here. Okay, so these records will be we are going to insert in problem table in ServiceNow. So like this, if you have n number of records, so at that time this procedure is import set is able to come into picture. So choose file. So click on problem Excel sheet. This sheet number, this is a sheet number and header row. Okay, the sheet number is 1 and header row that is the first column. Okay, that will be a header row 1. Click on submit. So once the submit is done, it's running. Yeah, so you can see here import set. Go to the import set for this data loaded data. You can see these are the records which we have inserted now. These all 4 records are loaded. In import log, you are able to see messages and all. So if any error is coming, you can see in import logs here. You can see messages and all. So now everything is fine in import log. So in import sites, see the state is loaded. Here you can see runtime is 0 seconds, loaded completed. So this is a Excel data source, Excel file name is got this has been loaded. So you can see here in a message processed 4, inserts 4, update 0, error is 0, ignored is 0, ignored error is 0. Okay, these are time in within 1.53 millisecond. This has been completed. So after inserting the Excel sheet, click on create transform map. So here I will tell you one concept. So in import set, the how the flow works. First, you'll you'll upload Excel sheet. Then it will be storing in a data called staging table. Okay, and then it will go to target table. Okay, here what is import sets? As I told, loading the data into table is known as import sets. Correct? You can tell like this also. Importing data from Excel sheet to staging table is called as import set. Whereas transform map, what is transform map? It is an also an important question for interview. Transform map is transferring data from staging table to target table. Okay, so this is what import sets is like. From Excel sheet it will load the data to staging table. These are temporary data. Temporary these are temporary. Okay, so again it will come to target table. So now we have it is in a staging table. Now we have to send it to targeted table through transform map. So we have to create a transform map first. So we are creating a new record in transform map by giving a name. Um, you can give anything. Problem transfer. Okay, so it's solved. So here you have to select targeted table. So where you have to send the data. We have to send for problem table. So you click on problem table and click save. So after clicking save, after clicking save, you have to match the fields. You have to match the fields like column names. So you can do there is two options are available. You can do auto map matching. If auto map matching is not accepted, like it is not able to match properly, you can go for mapping assist. So example, this is a manual mapping assist is doing manually. So these are the source table, okay, loading from the Excel sheet, and these are target table. So you see these are the fields are available. You can click example, we'll take number, okay, and here also you have to select number or else whichever field you want, whichever thing it is going to map. You can click here, where is number, there is a number, okay, and click on save. This is how matching is done manually, but we'll go for auto matching. We'll see first whether it is everything, every fields are matching or not. If it is not matching, we can go for mapping assist. Okay, yeah, so click on auto matching. So once you click on auto map matching, fields are created, field maps created. See, all the maps are have been mapped to the targeted fields. Okay, so after doing this, you will be seeing this link transform. So now you are going to transfer to from staging table to targeted table. So after clicking transform, so you have to click transform here. So once you click transform, see here, the state is complete and the completion code is success. So you can see transform history. So you can see total of 4 records we have inserted. Inserts is 4, update is 0, ignored 0, skipped 0, error is 0. Okay, so now let's go for problem. It is 24. You can see here 24, it should become 28. Once you refresh, you can see the 4 data is loaded. Okay, this is how import sets concept is. I think everyone got clear. So if you have any doubts, you guys comment it. And I will tell you one more concept in import set, that is coalesce. Coalesce. Coalesce is used basically to avoid duplication. Okay, let's see how it is applied. Coalesce. Okay, so we'll load the data once again. Search, load data. We'll insert same fields. Okay, we'll insert same fields. We'll see. I will show you once again. In this Excel sheet, now we'll create a new Excel sheet. We don't want this one. We'll create new one. we'll use incident table. Okay, so here we'll select moderate. So in moderate we'll select, in category we'll select software. So we'll see there is a two records. Okay, we'll take this as a Excel format. We'll download it. This got downloaded. Okay, so here we'll do so here there are two records. Okay, you can see here there is a short description. In first short description, click on enable editing, so we can edit the fields. So I will write Colas is applied. Okay, control shift and control V. Okay, is out. So here we'll okay, so here I will write, will write new record. Okay, so this one, this record should get updated. Okay, I'll tell you, one updated. Okay, one updated, and here one ignored. Okay, and one inserted. This will be, we're going to do this with the help of Colas. Okay, control save, close, go back to incident. Okay, choose file. We're loading the data, we're choosing the file, so we have to choose incident file which we have edited just now. So it's done. We have to give incident demo 101. Okay, so it's running. Okay, 3 inserts, 3 updates, 0 errors, everything is done. It's now in staging table. Click on create transform map. Give the name for transform map, transform incident 01. Okay, it has to go unload in targeted table, that is incident table. Click save. After clicking save, you are able to see these auto map matching fields. Click on here auto mapping. Once you click on auto mapping, so it get automatically get mapped to the targeted table. So here, so you have to give a collage to unique field. So unique field you can go for with number. So you have to make this as a true. Click here. Okay, and once click on save. So number is unique. Okay, we are giving collage for number. So same like SQL, when you'll give primary key. So like that you have to give collage here. So that is concept difference, but also you can relate it to in SQL primary key. Okay, so after auto mapping you have given a collage for a number, and now click on transform. So once you click on transform, so you are transforming the data to the targeted table. So success. So let's go for transform history and see three records are there. Insert is one, update is one, and ignore is one. Inserted is one is ignored, one is updated. So we got a result here. You can go for incident and you can check here also. Once you have to reload, you have to refresh it, come to all, and you can see collage collage is separate. This is we have changed now, and you can see one should be 999 should be inserted. I think you have to start with everything. We'll take this incident number. We'll check now. This has to get inserted. Yeah, David Miller new record. You can see short description. We have given new record. It has been updated, created and got updated. Okay. So and one more is it has to get ignored. This one. Yeah, this should not be available. If it is no, it is available. Effect tracking tool is down. This is available. Why? This is the old record. Previously someone has created this record and this left. We have exported in Excel sheet all these records. This got ignored. We were trying to insert this record, but this is got rejected and is ignored. Okay, this is how college is used. I think it's clear. I think everyone got clear about how college is working. Okay, I will tell you one last step. So what we have done here, first we have a Excel file. We have to go for loading the data. We are uploading here, uploading the file here, and then clicking save. Then what we are doing create transform map, create transform map. We are giving name. Okay, after giving name, we are giving a target file name. Correct. So after that, we are clicking save. After that, we are doing auto map matching. Once you are done auto map matching, all the fields will get mapped to the targeted table, like targeted fields. So after auto map matching, you can able to apply police for unique field. Okay, so after doing this police, you have to click transform and you can see the result in the table. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Take care.